Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone volume buttons not working on WhatsApp after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have, make sure the volume buttons are unable. Do you know that you could actually enable and disable your iPhone volumes button? Yes, you can. Know many iPhone users are aware that iOS offers such a setting. So the first thing you need to do is ensure you that iPhone volume button are turned on to do that. So then second solution you have, remove iPhone case. So you have, this may seem not to make any difference, but at times it does work around the button areas. Hands tend to obstruct the volume button on the iPhone, thereby blocking accessibility to sound adjustment. It is also possible that your iPhone case is old and then as a such it has had dent or become rugged around the volume button, so it gets stuck and become challenging to the press. Then third solution you have, restart your iPhone. You can fix most iPhone glitches on your with this simple step. So working on your iPhone, try restarting your iPhone. So then if simple restart does not work, you can try a force restart. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then fourth solution you have, force close the app such as Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp and others sometimes can freeze on the volume even you are raise or lower the volume. There's no effect on their sound output once there's freeze. There are also intents where or can experience and adopt low volume on Facebook and WhatsApp on your iPhone more than once. Update the latest iOS latest version. Although this quite rare, some apps on your iPhone may fail to respond to the volume adjustment if you outdated update. Even if you do not use the volume button and try to raise lower the volume in setting, it may still not working. Therefore, installing a more recent iOS version could get you back on track. Reset network setting for sixth solution, and then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have entered a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then last solution you have, reset all setting. May you consider now resetting your iPhone to its default factory setting if you still have the volume button on your iPhone not working after resetting network setting. So then you have click on erase, then you have click on reset all setting, enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.